Did you get a lesson? Or I just got that thing about Bonnie Prince Charles, so I think maybe it's going from last week's. I don't know because I thought maybe sometimes I miss things.
Yeah, I was confused too because I got that big PowerPoint
Uh-huh.
and wasn't I always take the link from that lesson. So I used the link from last week's lesson, which
It
I guess is the same link. I'm thinking it is the same link, but
was a long lesson.
yeah, I didn't think we were skipping today.
Not into June, so yeah.
But oh,
Here he is.
hello.
Hello, hello, Daniel. So,
We got the PowerPoint about Charlie.
But we didn't get a lesson, so are we using last week's?
Oh
what?
yeah, I think we were gonna do last week's lesson again. We were gonna
Yeah,
review it. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
because all we got was the PowerPoint about Bonnie Prince Charles.
yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna do drills. You
Oh,
know, yeah. So I figure rather than just leave it at one lesson, we'll we'll drill it.
is this the assertive verb, right?
That's right, the assertive
I
verb.
have my notes from last week.
All right, Cleva. Yeah, okay. So J Ernayak Anok. J Ernayak.
Hmm. Nothing earth shattering, no.
Thinking.
Okay. No, nothing.
It
Well,
was it was really windy here this last week.
Oh, was it?
Uh-huh.
yeah, and
Yeah.
Jamarch, uh,
Uh-huh.
the clown,
Uh-huh.
uh,
Yo,
a
yo.
clown.
Huh?
They were about to Gika lawn and Ushka Moore.
Ushkamor on
Yeah.
Tushkamor. On
Okay,
Tushkamor.
yeah, I'm trying to say right around lunchtime at work, we were about to feed 5, 6, and 7 year olds, and then torrential downpour
Ah.
right when they had their food and they were about to go outside to go to this other area to eat, and we're like, uh-oh.
Had to find another place for him.
Yes,
Oh.
we just had them. I'm like, just sit down where you're at.
Okay.
Just sit down on the floor and start eating.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mm.
No, we had some picnic tables up and then we put a few more up, but it was pretty chaotic because we weren't expecting it until 2 o'clock
Ah.
and it came early.
Okay. I guess the weather didn't read the read the schedule.
And 20 minutes later it was over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's bad timing.
yeah.
Of course, the principal's looking at me like, oh, what do we do? I'm like, hey, I'm a team player, so think kindly of me,
Yeah.
because she's kind of the boss.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm
But
here to help.
looking at you like it was your fault.
Kind of
Or how to fix it.
Yeah.
like the lunch was under my control, but I really can't control the weather. So
That's right. Yeah.
she's the one that's supposed to call indoor lunch, but she didn't call it soon enough. And very unexpectedly, it started raining. Cats and dogs.
Uh,
Cats and dogs. I don't know. Is there a raining cats and dogs in Gaelic?
I think there is.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to say
But
it.
maybe they don't say cats and dogs. Maybe they say something else.
Sheep and something else.
I think there was a word for deluge, right?
Uh-huh.
I
That's been
forget
a
what
while
it was
ago.
though. There was
Oh.
like He's gonna look.
No. On Shekshian. Rishkin on Shekshian.
Chekshian?
Yeah, Shekshian.
What does that mean exactly?
Rain of the seven storms.
Okay.
Rishkin on Shekshian.
So like an otherworldly situation.
Yeah.
Situation.
Shuck is used
7. Yeah.
quite a bit as an emphatic.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, okay. So Rishkin on Shekshian.
Yeah. Ushkan Chekshian Jamarch. I
Uh-huh.
think it was Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? Or was it
I
Monday?
remember we didn't get that much. Just certain places they got a lot. It was just a strange storm.
Anyway, cool. It's,
I don't think what they had on their plate. Oh, it might have been Monday. Because I'm picturing pizza on their plates, and that's a Monday thing.
Oh, that's Monday. Okay, yeah. Well, Shekin Shakai last week.
No,
Yeah, it was last
it
week.
was
On
this
Shekin
week.
Show.
No, it was this
Oh, on Shekin Show. Okay.
Yeah, that's week. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. On Eder. On
Juluin?
Eder.
Juluin is Monday. Juluin?
Jaluin, yeah.
Okay, sorry, my
Jaluin, yeah. And the day before yesterday, well, on J would be, of course, on J yesterday, and on Eder would be the day before yesterday. On Eder.
Eder.
On Eder, yeah.
How do you spell that? How do you spell that? AIR?
EARRA,
Oh, okay.
I believe. I guess Lisa Kimarau.
Hamigma.
Viluguma.
How do you say computer errors? Computer problems.
Triplet less your computer. Triplets less your computer.
Triplets
Trouble with
with
the triplets. Trouble.
triplets.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. But it was 3 reach your computer. You were fighting with the computer.
Ha.
Okay. Yeah. Believer. Okay, well. Couldn't ma. Anyway, we'll call you. Okay. All right. Well, let's see what we can do to get the ball rolling. Toshikamach. Do we remember that? I think I talked about that the other day. Toshikamach. Okay. And we haven't got to that form yet, but it means let us begin. Let us begin. Okay. And there's I'll call up the hold on. No, okay. Okay, I'm just typing something here. Hold. Okay. Where are we then? Okay. Share. All right. Okay. Right here on the screen. Toshikamach is Hoshikamach. Okay, so an odd little formation. Toshikamach would mean let us begin. Toshikamach would mean, with lenited, would mean we would begin, like in the past tense, or either that or the subjunctive, the conditional. So anyway, um, so anyways, just an interesting little formation, verb formation that we'll get to one of these days. Yeah, so, but when you hear the unlenited form, that is let us, like let us begin, or let's begin. Let's go. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we go. Gaeltach and and in Yiplin. Okay. An Pieper Blar Huloter. And Shiafla Jug Yen Yiplin. Okay. 1746. Okay. So anyway, so the piper at the Battle of Culloden Moor. Battle of Culloden Moor. Okay. So, and have a little presentation in that regards tonight. In I guess in recognition of the anniversary, which would be tomorrow, right? And Shiafla Jug in Yiplin. Okay. And that would be, now what would that be? 1746, 20, not quite 280 years, I think. A 280-year anniversary.
I was there last year on the anniversary.
Oh, were you? Okay.
People had sent flowers.
Yeah.
My friends had sent flowers.
Yeah. It's quite a sight.
With that one cottage there, yeah.
Yeah, right. They have the cottage, and they have the visitor center.
It's big.
Yeah. So so quite a memorial. All right, okay, all right, and the usual boilerplate, falcha shanachel, and we'll do exercises of the assertive verb, and then blar chuloter. Okay, it's idamach nan sheishamach. Well, actually, it's more idamach nan sheishamach. Shemisach. Okay.
Jacobites.
Yeah. The Jacobite rebellion. Okay. Oran Eila Don Frunza would be our song, very appropriately, and then class notes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So anyway, here is a little. Talking about walking the battlefield, just a little get us warmed up. So,
sing me a song of a lass that is gone.
This is a little panorama of the battlefield of Culloden Moor, and one of the reasons that we remember this. Yeah, so I'll just. Let me just pause the share for a moment. And what are we doing? Okay. Pause the share for a moment. One of the reasons that we remember this is that it's more than a battle. I mean, there's lots of battles in Scottish history. But this one is, along with the Battle of Bannockburn, that essentially won Scottish independence from England for several hundred years. The Battle of Culloden Moor is seminal in Gaelic history. Gaels very often refer to before Culloden and after Culloden. Okay, before the battle and after the battle, because before the battle, while not a separate nation, Gaeldom or the Gaeltacht was a kind of an intact culture, an intact polity. Okay, but after it, we saw the very rapid demise of Gallic culture, of the Gallic homeland, and and it all kind of hinged on that battle. So so BC, before Culloden, and what, AC after Culloden. Okay, all right, okay, all right, okay. So let's go back to share, and we'll go back.
Say, put that glass behind. Fairy of soul, she sailed on a day over the sea to sky. Billow and seas, islands and seas, mountains of rain.
So that's a cottage that's actually on the site of the battlefield that stood there, since the days of the battle. And then now we're going to pan over some of the monuments to the various clans.
Oh, that was good, oh, that day, oh, that was me, is gone.
Right, so that's yeah, and I'll talk more about that a little bit later, and we can come back here later. Okay, some of the other little videos. I have some short videos in Gallic, and if we don't get to them, you can go back to them. Anyway, so the Shanachana Shekana, the Hatlach Beck, Ertlach Beck, Leonek Bjorn and more. Small stone on a small stone fills a great gap. Okay, it fills a great gap. Okay, so a little stone after a little stone fills a great gap. It's another way of saying little by little. Okay, so I have a little note here about how great things are accomplished, and the writer Stephen King. I'm sure we're all familiar with. Once remarked that somebody who wants to be a writer, if he only writes one page a day, at the end of the year he'll have finished a novel. 360 pages, right? So so one stone on another. Klach Beck or Klach Beck, a Leonich Bjorn and more. All right. Okay. Some language notes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So grammar and Shekhinah. Okay. The assertive verb. Okay. So I thought we would do drills, because this is an important feature in Gallic, and so I think I have it all on a PowerPoint. So see. So anyway, so remember, we use the assertive verb is when identifying something. In other words, to say thing one equals thing two. Okay, thing one equals thing two. All right. So B describes a quality, high ski, or a place, high it aun an glassico. Okay, so here we're identifying a place, we're describing a place and using a preposition and an action, hamiagevik. Okay, so it's a helping verb as well. This identifies a teacher, a hound. Okay, and he is a teacher. It is a teacher that is in him. Naming, smishi madri. Okay. And definite, Seamus on teacher. Keep in mind that somebody's name is a definite. Okay. Okay. All right. So the present would be is, the past would be boo. Okay. So 3 patterns a teacher, a hound, Nishimari, and Seamus on teacher. You know, two definite nouns. And actually, it could be one definite noun. Okay. Indefinite is often a hound. Okay. And the definite is usually no a hound. Okay. So with the, there's no a hound form. All right. Okay. So, okay. So, so with number one, he is tired. Am I describing or identifying?
Describing, I think.
Describing a quality.
Driving.
Yeah. Quality. Yeah. She is a doctor.
You're
Classifying someone.
So yeah, and in terms of the question, identifying.
identifying.
Okay.
Oh,
Madhuri is the teacher.
identifying.
Identifying. The house is big.
Describing.
Driving.
Driving. I am Seamus.
Identifying.
Identifying. 6. They are in Glasgow.
Describing.
Driving.
Describing. He is a clever man.
Describing.
Driving.
I'm saying he's clever, but I'm also saying he's a man.
Oh, describing them.
Oh,
I'm identifying.
Ident-
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
that
So-
was tricky.
Yeah.
Yes, I know it's a little tricky. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The dog is my pet.
Identifying.
Yeah. Identifying. Yeah. Dog equals pet. Like right up here, number 7, he equals man. Okay. We are students.
I would say identifying.
Yeah, identifying. Okay. We, a pronoun. One thing is another thing. Okay. The children are happy.
Describing.
Driving.
Describing. Very good. You see? So anyway, yeah. So, all right. Okay. Yeah. And so, warm up check, so here's the answers. Okay. What we would use, oh yeah. So, we're supposed to call out the verb choice. So anyway, so he is tired would be be, okay.
Be.
She is a doctor would be is.
Is.
Madhuri is the teacher would be is. The house is big would be
Be.
okay. I am Seamus would be is. They are in Glasgow would be be, ha. He is a clever man would be
Yes.
is.
Yes.
J dunya glich a hound, okay. The dog is my pet would be is. We are students would be is. And the children are happy would be be. Hayit tolacha. Ha yit tolacha. Okay. All right. Okay.
Clarification was 7. If you said that man is clever, would you use be?
Yes. Yeah. Ha,
Which is different from saying clever man is his label.
Yeah, he is a clever man. That is an identification. He equals here, hold on. Maybe I'll go back to
Which is different from saying that man is clever.
yeah. He equals man. Okay. She dunyadlich a hound. Okay. He is a clever man versus ha on dunya glik. Okay. Which is describing him. He is clever. Okay. He is clever. Or the man is clever. Okay. The man is clever. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah.
So they're both saying very similar things, but you're using the different be versus is.
Yeah. And you're right. They are saying similar things. Okay. And our problem becomes, as English speakers, English doesn't make this kind of distinction between two different forms of to be.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So so we kind of have to get into Gallic mind, so to speak. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Good question. He is a clever man. I mean, it's different from he is clever or the man is clever. Okay, all right, okay. And one of the things you can do is look. Now, am I saying one thing is another?
Yeah.
He equals man. He equals man who's clever. He equals clever man. Okay, all right, okay, all right, okay. All right, so number one, he is a teacher. Would we say hi a teacher? She teacher a hound? She on teacher a?
B. Say
B is
teacher without hum.
she teacher a hound. Yeah. How about number two? I am Mardi. Smisha Mardi, Hami Mardi, she Mardi Ahana.
Say Misha Mari.
Smisha Mardi. Yeah, Smisha Mardi. Uh-huh. Okay. And the apostrophe S, of course, is the contraction for is. Is Mishamari. Okay. But for the most part, for the most part, very often we contract is at the beginning of a sentence. Okay. All right. So Seamus is the teacher. She Seamus on teacher. Ha Seamus on teacher. She teacher a hound on Seamus.
C.
I think so
Yes,
too.
C is
Yes,
correct.
teacher without
Yeah,
hum.
yes, C is
Seamus.
correct. Even though I didn't talk about it, but very good. She teacher a hound on Seamus. Okay. Hmm, okay. Another thing you could do is Seamus on teacher. Is Seamus on teacher. Okay, you could do that, but this is very common. Okay. She is a lawyer. She nechluga a hincha. Hai nechluga. Is isha nechluga.
I think it's A. Say
A.
Nechmaga Hensha.
Yeah, Ahinsha. Yeah, she is a lawyer. And the rule there is that it is indefinite. Okay. So when you have the indefinite, that is no the, and you can see she nechluga, a lawyer. Okay. That's when you use the hound form. And in this case, Ahinsha, in her. Okay. That's when you use the hound form. Okay. Down here at the bottom of the page, if you can see it, kind of scrunched. Are you Ailey? Oh, I have to, yeah, right here. Okay. I don't know what's going on here, but we're kind of running out of space. Are you Ailey? Avelu Ailey? Antusa Ailey? Ambutusa Ailey?
I think it's a veal.
Is it B?
Ooh, India?
Really?
Yeah, Antusa Ailey.
Okay.
Antusa Ailey. Okay. And the rule here is that the question form drops the explicit verb. Okay, on tusa ailey. The verb is there, but it's not expressed. Okay. Okay. Sort of the equivalent in English of saying, you ailey?
Mm.
Something like that, in a kind of street English, you might say. You Ailey? Is you Ailey? Okay. Something like that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. He was a doctor. Vai na hochter? Bij dochter avaan? Bu e on dochter.
Bay Doctor
B.
B.
Uh-huh.
B. B. Dr. Hum.
A doctor avowed. Yeah.
Wow.
A doctor. So then we use the a hound form. Okay. And then as we see over the side, boo or b for the past. Okay. Okay. Madri was the teacher. For Mari on teacher, be Madri on teacher, or Buvari on teacher.
A.
Uh, Buvari on teacher.
Yeah, Buvari on teacher. Okay. Sleva. He is not a wise man. Haniele dunyaglik. Hanye dunyaglik ahaun. Habe dunyaglik avaun.
I think it's B, but I'm not sure.
But C is past tense, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
C is past tense. So it would be a little tricky here. You have to note the tense. So is not. So Hanye.
Hane.
Yeah, and then remember the same with the question form. With is, the negative in the question form do not express the verb. Okay, do not express the verb. Okay, okay, oh, okay. Where are we? Number 9 was Seamus the teacher. Ambe Seamus on teacher. Anye Seamus on teacher. Avel Seamus on teacher.
I think it's A.
Yeah.
Bay Seamus on teacher. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So not B, because that would be the present tense. Okay. So ambe ambu a Seamus on teacher. So the the boo or the b would indicate the past tense. Okay. Was Seamus the teacher. Okay. And we're going off the okay. How can we do this now? Okay, okay. Some of these went off the page. Okay.
Okay. B.
We are the students. Hashin Naholinich. Hashina Naholinich. She Olinich Ahanim.
I think B. Sheena.
B.
Naholinich.
Shina Naholinich. Shina Naholinich. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Naholinich. Yeah. Yeshina Naholinich. Yeah, we
Because
are
it's
the
the
students. Yeah, the students. Yeshina Naholinich, not ha. Okay, but not Hashin, but Ishina.
Is Sheena.
Sheena. Yeah.
Or do you say Sheena? Sheena or is Sheena? Or
Ishina, Yeshina, and they kind of roll together, and you might not even hear them. I mean, kind of a double S, Sheena, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. So you might not even hear it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then the answers. Okay. 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 So here we want to supply the missing form. So number 1.
Ish.
Is Misha column, okay? Or just
Misha.
Smisha. Yeah. Either, I mean, but is correct. To answer it. And sometimes even in writing, you would see is, but it would still be pronounced sh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. So you see it in writing, and especially if it's conversational, you still pronounce the contracted form. Okay. Teacher, a teacher, a hound.
Say teacher, S teacher.
Yeah, S. She teacher, a hound.
Teacher,
Uh-huh. Okay. He is a teacher. Okay. He is a teacher. It is literally, it is a teacher that is in him. Okay. We want to say Mary is the doctor.
She married doctor?
Yeah. She, madre, and doctor. And note that the E, where's my cursor right here? The E lines up with madre. Okay, so now we're used to she, is a, but technically speaking, the pronoun should match what it is we're talking about. Okay, so so if we're talking about they, it's she it, is it. You see? So anyway, okay. Number 4,
B.
Antusa.
Antusa. Yeah, Antusa. Antusa Anna. Okay. And number 5,
Ane.
Honey.
Kanye. Very good. Kanye. Yeah. Okay. So here we want to say John is a Scotsman. So
S.
S.
Say.
yeah, is a yeah, Shay Alpenich Ahaun an Ian. So note that when we're using the name, uh, we very often go to Ahaun an and then Ian or Madre or Seamus or whoever. Okay. Okay. And then right here, Sheena Naholinich, we want to say, I guess, we are the students, and what would that be?
Sheena.
Yes, is Sheena. Yes, Sheena.
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 It's
Yeah.
Sheena.
Yeah, it's Sheena. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, and here we have your he is not a wise man.
Honey.
Ane.
Kanye. Yeah, Kanye. Okay. Um, okay. And here a question. Are they the teachers?
On.
Yeah, on it.
On it, the teacher.
teacher.
On it, yeah, on. Okay. The teacher. Do they equal teachers? Okay. Right here, um, on the Tiosta, the hotel, is
Big building.
the big building, that big building. Okay, so what would go here? What verb?
Is.
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 Yes, yeah, is. She an Tiosta an tokelik morshin. Okay, okay. And maybe one of the things that gets us a little mixed up sometimes is in English we're used to the verb coming here
Yeah.
after Tiosta. It's kind of separating, the two parts, thing 1 and thing 2. Okay, so you have to remember that in Gaelic, most often the verb will come first, and then the two parts, the thing 1 and thing 2, will just run together. On Tiosta, on Tokalach. Okay, so okay.
Oh.
So, okay. Okay. So now the past tense, and something to watch out for is boo. Very often Lanites, like we have Buvisha over here. Okay, so which gives you the answer to number 11.
Uvish.
Ooh.
Buvisha on teacher. Yeah, okay. I was the teacher. Okay. Okay. Uh, uh, and then here, past tense.
Bay.
They.
Bay, yeah, Bay doctor. So B apostrophe, not boo a. Okay. But when we have a chance, we contract the boo to just a B apostrophe. Okay. Um and Mary was the boss, the Kennersht, the head. So
Bay. B.
They.
B, yeah, B Mary on Kennersht. Okay, B. Okay, B apostrophe. The same B that's in number 12. Only the pronoun changes the pronunciation from bay to B. Okay. Um. Okay. Tusa on Shorshech.
Abutusa.
Ambutusa. Were you? Okay. Okay. And then Habe. Okay.
Ah.
Hey.
Okay,
Hey.
a B, yeah, a B apostrophe, Habe Dunya Dona Avaun. Okay, okay, yeah. He wasn't a bad man. Habe Dunya Dona Avaun. Okay, okay, okay. Which kind of goes back to what we talked about earlier. Haro on Dunya Dona. Okay, Haro on Dunya Dona. The man wasn't bad, but Habe Dunya Dona Avon. He wasn't a bad man. Okay, so, and even though they sound very similar and they have very similar meanings, we have to be careful because they call for different verbs. Okay. All right. So, um, we want to say they were the students.
Boo it or be it? I don't
Yeah,
know.
be it. Yeah, be it. Be apostrophe. Technically uncontracted, it would be buiet. But
Okay.
because of the old, we don't like vowels hanging out together. So it'd be it. Okay.
Mm,
Be apostrophe. Okay. Um, uh, was Seamus the teacher?
Bay.
Bay. Yeah, Bay Seamus on teacher. Okay. And 18, it wasn't Ailey, or she wasn't Ailey. Okay.
be
Be Ailey. Be Ailey. She wasn't. Okay. Uh, uh, um, you were. Okay. We want to say you were a flower in the desert.
So I'm thinking don't contract, just say boo-too.
Boo.
Yeah, Butu. Yeah, Butu.
Like 14, you say boo-tusa.
Yeah,
Contract it because it sounds weird to say
yeah. You wouldn't really contract it. You
because that
know,
sounds like batusa.
Yeah, you can't really contract. Okay, you just end up sputtering. Okay, Batusa. Yeah, okay. Fudan Sanasa. Yeah. So, and that's I once saw a funeral, what a gravestone, a memorial
Mm-hmm.
to somebody. Yeah, uh, Butu Fudan Sanasa. You were a flower in the desert. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, very sweet memorial. Okay. Anyway, number 20. Uh, wasn't it a long book?
Nakbe.
Nakbe. Yeah, Lor Fata Avon. Yeah, Nakbe. Wasn't it? Okay, so the on Lor Fata, the book was long. Be Lor Fata Avon. It was a long book. Okay. All right. So
Mm.
yeah. So anyway, so we just have to get used to that distinction that Gallic makes. All right. Okay. Okay. And then I guess this is the answer sheet. Okay. And then all of this is in the in the document that I sent you right here. I'm showing you the kind of a PowerPoint. Okay.
I didn't see it in the PowerPoint though.
No, I didn't send the PowerPoint.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I did? Oh, I sent this PowerPoint?
No.
No, a
The
different one.
Bonnie Prince Charlie.
Oh yeah. No, I sent that one. That's a different one. That's
This
the
is from last
Yeah.
week, isn't it?
Yeah.
No.
This is
Oh,
a
it is?
PowerPoint of the drills.
Yeah,
Oh.
because it was
So-
at the end. Last week was very long.
Yeah.
It had
Yeah.
a different
Yeah.
And
Well,
then
I sent
the
homework.
answers didn't match. I don't know.
Yeah, I sent homework home with you last week, but this week, this is such an important point. I wanted to drill. I want to
Oh,
spend
yes,
plenty
I
of
see
time.
it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, um, uh, uh, okay. So, change the sentences into questions. Okay. So we would say, "She teacher hound." How would he is a teacher? How do we say, is he a teacher?
Avil?
On Bay.
Anye, yeah, Anye teacher a hound. Okay, anye. Yeah. Okay, so not a vel, but anye. Okay. Istusa Ailey. Okay, how do we say are you Ailey?
Antusa Ale?
Antusa, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Say Seamus on teacher. How do we say is Seamus?
Ane. No,
Anye. Yeah,
Anye.
Anye. Yeah. Yeah. That the on very in this form uh very often has kind of a what do you call it in Spanish? Is it a tilde over the N?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have
Yeah.
an anye. You know, you kind of have that sound.
Can
Uh,
you spell Anye? I want to know what it looks like.
okay, yeah, okay, okay, and it's not marked. Oh, un, okay, it's not marked, but it's anye, teacher,
Oh,
a hound.
so you spell it on A, but you say
Anye, yeah, right.
okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
so it's pronounced on yay. Okay. Anye. Okay.
okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Sorry.
Anye. Like
I was
that.
like, wait. Oh,
Anye. Okay. Or Hanye would be Hanye. Like that. Okay. Be
hmm
pronounced something like that. Hanye. Okay. Yeah. So that's what I mean. Uh the
So there really is no Hane.
what?
Do we always say Hanye or do we ever say Hane? CHAN.
Hanye. No, you wouldn't say
You would
Hanye.
never say it that.
Hanye.
Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hanye.
Okay. I think I've been saying it
Hanye
wrong all
on
this time.
teacher. Yeah, yeah. He is not the teacher. Hanye on teacher. Okay. He's not the teacher. He's an imposter. Okay. Hanye on teacher. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Where are we now? Want to go back to here.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Hanye
Okay.
Chamis. Okay.
Okay. Bei Doktor Avon, how do we ask if he's the doctor? If he is a doctor?
Ambe.
Ambe. Yeah, Ambe. Yeah, Ambe. Okay, Ambe. Doctor Avon. Okay. Here, Mary is the boss. How do we say, is Mary the boss?
Ambi?
B.
Be Mari unkennished. Yeah, I'm B. I'm B. Okay. Sie eet na holinich a haunta.
On it.
Yeah, onion.
Yeah, on eet on eet
Onion.
na holinich. Okay, 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 okay. And actually, that should not be a haunta. Following the rule, you have na, so you shouldn't have a hound.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, okay. Sie eet na holinich. Yeah, they the students. Okay, all right, okay. See Anna, little weird spelling there. Got carried away. Okay. Okay. She Anna on Schneider. How do you ask if Anna is the singer?
On six. Eight.
Ambi.
Ani, Anna on
Okay.
Schneider. Still too many letters in Anna's name. Okay. All right. Okay. Buvisha on Gunnerlair. You were the gardener. How do you ask if you were the gardener? Were you the gardener?
Ambu?
Yeah, very good. Ambu Misha on gardener.
On there.
Okay. Gleva. Okay. And I'm going to correct this one while I'm thinking about it. Okay.
Ambuvisha.
Ambu, uh-huh.
Visha or Misha?
Visha. Visha.
Okay.
Ambu Visha. All right. Okay. All right. Change the sentences into negatives. Okay, so sé duine glich a hound. How do you say he's not a wise man?
Nake.
Ane?
Chanye, yeah, chanye.
Anye.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
So
I'm gonna have to reteach myself. I think I.
yeah, what I'm sorry?
Oh, the A versus nye. I think I have a.
Yeah, yeah, chanye, yeah,
I have to
chanye.
reteach my brain to not say nye.
Yeah, chanye. Yeah, okay, okay. And and what else was? Oh yeah, and not nach. We would use for either the negative question, nach e dunya glich ahaun. Isn't
Wasn't he?
he? Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, wasn't he? Nach e or nach be, wasn't he?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And remember that nach form can be both a, and I'll come back here. That nach form can be both nach e dunya uh, glich ahaun, can be either a question or an exclamation. Okay, so just like in English, you can say, "Well, isn't he a wise man?" or "Isn't he a wise man?" Like that. I mean, so the intonation carries the meaning, the intonation and the context. Okay. And very often in Gaelic, and one of the differences between Gaelic and English makes it maybe more difficult to tell what's being said in writing, is right here, the exclamation is very often punctuated with a period.
Mhm.
In English, if you mean it in writing to be an exclamation, you'd have an exclamation point, right? Okay. But in Gaelic, very often you don't. Okay. Okay. Nache dunya glichahound. So you have to figure out what the person is trying to say. All right. Okay. Uh, where are we now? Right here. Okay. So change the sentences into negatives. Is Misha a teacher? So we want to say, I'm not the teacher.
Mm.
Un, uns, oh,
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, try it.
uns,
Chavisha. So over here on the side, we have a little hint. Chavisha.
oh,
Yeah, yeah. Cha the knights as well. Okay. Chavisha
oh,
on teacher. Okay. Clever. Uh, is Mary the doctor?
Ye
uns,
Marian.
Honey.
Yeah, yeah. Ani mother and doctor. Yeah, very good. Ani. Okay. Be Polish around. Is he a policeman?
how be, how
Yeah,
be,
Hambe, Polish bound. Yeah. Buvisha on Kennersht. Okay. Was I the boss?
Habuvisha.
Habuvisha. Okay, or Ambuvisha. Ambuvisha.
Are we doing negatives or questions?
Oh yeah, no, you're absolutely right. We're doing negatives. Okay, I got mixed up. Okay, yeah. Chabuvisha on Kennersht. Okay. So we want to say Anna was not the senator. The senator. Okay.
Hani.
Habi.
Hanbi.
Anna. Yeah, Habi. Yeah,
Oh,
Habi.
hobby. Okay.
Habi. Yeah. Habi. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
because past tense. Okay.
Yeah. She Allenbeck sorry, Alpenach Haunan Seamus. So we want to say he was not a Scotsman.
Hanye.
Kanye Alpenach Haunan Seamus. And Sheena Naholinich. We want to say we weren't the students. Or we aren't the students.
On.
Hachine.
Hanshi,
Hashine?
Yeah, Chashina.
Hashina.
Chashina, Noholinik. Okay, all right, okay. Chashina, Noholinik. All right. All right, Gleva. Chanshina. Anye. I don't think that would be Chan. I think that would be
It's
Ha.
hot.
Yeah, Ha.
Because you don't want to have two consonants next to each other.
Chanshina. Right, yeah, yeah. All right, okay. Okay, change the present to the past. Okay. I am Michael. I was Michael. I'm somebody else now. Okay. Okay.
Boomisa Miko.
Buvisha.
Visha.
Michael. Yeah. Gleva. I was a teacher.
Bay teacher.
Bay teacher.
Be teacher avown. Be teacher avown. Though sometimes you will see and sometimes you'll hear people get a little lazy and they'll say she teacher avown. And they'll make this verb here, ha, do all the work of the tense. Technically, it should be be teacher avown, but sometimes people get lazy and they still use the present tense. It is a teacher that was in him, avown.
Mhm.
So don't get confused if you see that. Technically and grammatically, it should be it was a teacher that was in him. Okay. All right. So, and even though in English we would say it was, it's a teacher that he was. That'd be a little bit more natural, I think, in English. So anyway, but okay. So present to past. Okay. Mary was a doctor. Number 3. Mary was the doctor.
B, Mari?
Be madre and doctor. Yeah. Okay. Um, we want to say you were the gardener.
Boo.
Buhusa.
Butusa? Butusa?
Butusa on garden. I can't say
Garnier?
it. Garnelar.
Gonalar?
Yeah. Seamus was the boss.
Bay?
Bay.
Shame.
Seamus on Kenish. They were the students.
Buiet?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Buiet or Biet. Okay. Very often you'd hear it and as the b, yes, the apostrophe. She alapanach ahaun on column. Okay.
Bay.
Bay.
Bay alapanach. And we want to say we were the team.
Bushine?
Yeah, Bushina and Skipper. Yeah, Gleva. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go to we're getting pretty close to the time, but let's go to the correct and mistake column 6 through 10. Okay. So what would be the mistake in Hami teacher?
Nisa.
Bay.
Bay.
Yeah, is
Oh,
Misha
Day.
was Misha on teacher or she teacher ahanam?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. She Seamus teacher.
It means Ahan.
A
uh-huh.
hound. Very good.
A hound?
Yeah, a hound. Yeah, she teamus. Okay.
Duolingo.
Who on teacher?
I think Butusa?
Tusa. Very good. Yeah, Tusa on teacher. Okay. A Seamus on teacher.
It'd be Ahan again.
Bay.
Well,
Bay.
is. Yeah, we
Oh,
want
is.
is there. Yeah, not a,
Oh, okay.
Shay
okay.
teacher.
On
Shay.
Seamus on
on-
teacher.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. No, not on hound because we have a the right
Okay.
there.
Oh.
The teacher. Okay. And a doctor avown.
Say. Says.
Mini.
Say
One-
Ane?
Okay.
Oh,
Anye, Anye.
Anye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. And you can almost feel it in your mouth. A. Just
yeah.
doesn't roll off the
Anye.
tongue like Anye. Yeah, so, okay. Okay. Anye, Dr. Avon. All right, Leva. All right. Okay. All right, Leva. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. And then there's some more exercises and you can do. Okay. So, these three things. So, say after me, B describes,
B describes.
Describes.
is identifies,
Inside.
Disidentifies.
indefinite uses a hound,
Indefinite.
Indefinite is a hound,
It's a
but
hound.
definite does not.
but definite does not.
It does
Yeah,
not.
very good. Very good. And I'll take out usually. Okay. Definite does not. Okay. Okay. And one last contrast, a ski versus Shay teacher, a hound.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, so if you can hear the difference, the lesson has done its job. Okay, so I hope you can hear the difference. Okay, Gleva. Okay, all right, so stop the share for a moment. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Okay, so
No, that was very helpful
oh, Gleva.
going through those.
Let me tell it you. Let me tell it you. As a matter of fact, I'll just share with you some of my own thinking. That I've been thinking about structuring more of my lessons around that type of format rather than rushing through the lectures, lecture and then drill, lecture, drill. And, I mean, not to get lockstepped into that in a boring fashion, but I've had some feedback, that this type of format, is helpful in learning some of these concepts. Okay, Leva. All right, so let's do something a little bit different. Okay, let me. All right. Okay. Okay, yeah. All right. So now you guys, now I have to go to the share. Okay. You guys are probably more or less familiar with the 45 rebellion leading up to Blar Kuloter. Okay. And next week I'll talk a little bit about the battle and the aftermath. But for right now, let's talk about Bliana Herrlich, the year of Charlie. And so, so it's very teeny weeny print. On each one of these slides, you'll see some sort of English translation. Okay, so now one of the things, and this is an aside, one of the things that we'll see in Gallic culture and traditional Gallic culture, very often, well, especially back in traditional times, the years weren't numbered. Gallic doesn't have an obsession with numbers, not like the Count, but in Sesame Street, but they were named, so Bliana nan Curach, the year of the sheep, Bliana Herrlich, the year of Charlie, so years were named according to the memorable events that happened in those years. So, all right, so Jeva Adamach na 45 Muyen. Yeah, so go ahead and read after me. Jeva Adamach na 45 Muyen.
Deva Arma
Deva
45.
Arma na 45
million.
What was the 45 rebellion all about? Okay. And then the first line, Geira,
Era.
Bestri etter Tai Hanover, I guess Tai Stuart Avon.
The Edge Guy.
Three
Armavar.
Thai
Hanover, I guess
and
Tai
Tai
Stuart
Stewart.
Avon.
Avon.
Okay, so it was a dynastic struggle. Yeah. Geira, partially. Geira Eila,
Ela.
Bestri Kreistjef Avon.
Say Avon.
Uh-huh. Haro Protestanich Ersan Ri Kachligich. Okay. Partially, it was a struggle of on Christian, of believing, of religions, of the Protestants didn't were not for Haro Ersan. They weren't for. They didn't want a Catholic king. And we saw that we talked a little bit about that when I gave a presentation on Mary, Queen of Scots, right? That was part of what was going on with Mary as well, you know. So this whole struggle between Catholics and Protestants had been going on for quite some time. For Moran Hemishach on Breton.
More
Hemishach on Breton. Yeah, there are many Jacobites. And the Shemashach comes from the name for Seamus, who was the the name of the chief pretender, the Stuart who claimed the throne. Moran Kenian, Gaelic, Stuart,
Kenian.
Clans, Gaelic clans on the Ertuv, on the side of the House of Stuart. Tai Hanover. The House of Hanover. This was a German Protestant family. And there were three German kings. In fact, sometimes they're by people who didn't like them, they're called German Geordie. Okay.
The George is it.
Yeah, German Geordie. And the first two of them, the first and second, didn't even speak English. So, Chaulich Geramelchech is Protestantach. Chaulich Protestantach. German and Protestant family. Vayet Karstjech, they were friendly. Vayet Karstjech, Dovanri, not friendly, sorry, related to Vanri Anna, Queen Anne, Augusto Herrlich II, Charles II. Who was a Stuart? Okay. Hui it eri chacher vretten. Yes, they sat on the Richacher, on the throne of Britain. Beishorus aga Andri Econaum. Andri Econaum. So here we have Beishorus. Was the king Econaum at the time, right? Tai Stuart, the House of Stuart. Tai Real Ahanik Vohaun Riren Nahalapa.
Tai Real Ahanik
Riren Nahalapa. A royal family, a royal house that came from the old kings of Scotland. Van Loinia. Adol Erashku Rapist Bruce. Bruce. The line went back to Robert the Bruce, which was actually, 1300s. So 1746 to 350 years. The Stuarts had, sat on the throne of Scotland, and then for some time on the throne of Britain, England and Britain. Le Seamus Shia.
The same Shia
is Ahun.
Vayit
Oskun Alapa Agus Hasim.
Vayit Ohim Alapa Agus Hasim.
They were above Scotland and
England.
And England, yeah. With and this is Seamus the 6th of Scotland and the 1st of England. Okay. And this okay. Vayet Savor Huch Kachligech. they were mostly Catholic, which caused some problems. Havaun am Prunsa Chairlich, Kovaun am Prunsa Chairlich.
Move on to
Found
Princess
in Princess
Princess
Chair.
Prince Charlotte.
Yeah, who was Prince Charlie? The Prince Charlie. Bei Charles Edward Stuart Antonymova Air.
By Charles Edward Stewart.
Stewart Antonymova
Air.
Okay. And that was his name, Charles Edward Stewart. Actually, much longer name. Okay. Down here in small print, Charles Edward Louis John Kashmir
Sylvester.
Sylvester Severino Maria Stewart. Okay.
Wow.
Mouthful. Okay. All right. So anyway, Rukake,
Okay.
he was born on in 1720.
I don't
That's
know.
all right.
Kulakole, and he died on in 1788.
Hmm.
Becherlich aga ahaun onkel.
Bache is
Carolyn.
Aga ahaun onkel.
Charlie the
Charles II, who was king for a long time, okay, was his uncle. Beseamus aga a henner.
His grandfather.
And James II was his
Grandfather.
grandfather. Yeah. Beseamus Eterst an Schaun Takrika Aher. Okay, so James Edward, the old pretender, and James, this James, the pretender, actually tried a rebellion in 1715, the 15 rebellion. Okay, all right, and Prince Charles came back 30 years later to try his hand. Ko haro edle alapanach. He wasn't very Scottish. Okay, hare alapanach. Ach trohincherek fatterfalov. Okay, so he was Scottish by heritage, but not by upbringing. He wasn't born in Scotland. Okay, Hanek Kuch. Gure Dunya Spachel. He was a fancy boy. Okay. Car Fuin Avaun. Oh, but a little bit foolish. By Bulchek Dovostik. Agus Dohain Hutrum. Okay, he was fond of boasting and self-importance. By a gold Gutraum. He drank
a lot.
Drank a lot. Okay. Vige Atlekach. Jochlacher. Nuravai Fa'ulach. So even in war,
Strong drinks.
he was drunk. So goes the and there's some dispute about this, but that's one of the criticisms about him. But one of the things you have to remember is that everybody drank in those days. I mean, very very seldom did people drink just straight water. Okay, Klata Kafrunsa Iriske. Okay, Klata Kafrunsa. Okay, the beach of the prince. So here's a picture of it, the beach. Okay. Chai an Soyech Frangach.
And Soya Blanket.
The French ship, his French ship, Achur Erash Le Long Vretenach. Okay. He was on this French ship and it was sent back by a British man of war, British ship. Hurste Company Reach Chulach.
Company
Reach Chulach Jan Frank. Jan Rank. His company, his companions told him to return to France. Achatorenation. Achatorenation, but he didn't. He didn't do that. Haneke er cheer on an eriski.
Cheer.
Okay, so he came ashore in Eriski. For Kennerton, Nankinian,
Kenyan.
the chiefs of the clans, Miholicha.
Miholicha.
Harost Sidgerin, Armach, no Eriget Gyor Echa. He didn't have soldiers nor
Or enough
weapons.
money.
Yeah, or money. Okay. Because he had promised that he would come with all these things. And people had promised him. But here he shows up all by himself, and so there are a lot of people who doubted the whole, even people who threw in with him, doubted, the viability. Yuch kuch taich ohorshka, yuch horshka. Some refused to give him support. Hakuch Ela Leshkuleshk. And others went with him literally lazily, but reluctantly. Anambohan Anush Vihoil. So he stayed in the cottage of Angus MacDonald. So all by himself and a couple of his companions, van la Fur August Fluch, Lan Kyo, the Tai-Do, the black house, called a black house because the smoke went up and blackened the thatch. But Cherlechadol Stech is a mach fat bahunya. Yeah, so he's very restless. He was going in and out. Harofisic McOil Kovan. MacDonald didn't know who he was. Okay. Anoif Jig Lunestol, 1745. Chaim Prunza Gudlaun Ulin. Okay, Glenfinnan. Okay, the 19th of August, he went to Glenfinnan. And here you have a monument to where he raised his standard.
It's really big.
Flag. Yeah. By Shmunichuch Gunro Taik Gulor Echa. He thought he had a lot of support. Hoke Avrata Kanshin.
Okay, Vatican.
He raised his flag there, his standard, called his standard. Urstegen roe a tachrach nari karach aun an anam acher. He said that he was claiming the throne, Richarach, in the name
of his father.
Yeah, an anam acher. Yeah. Falcha an Dunagechen. Welcome to Edinburgh. Adam Nagel Toch, Kadami Real. The Gallic army was a bit raggedy. Okay. No consistent uniforms, a lot of the just crofters, peasants. Haro Achmaye Hu Adamascha. So they were but partially armed, poorly armed. Okay, Reinam Punza Garam Real. Okay, he made a royal proclamation. The Fech Vretenach hast an an Castel Gunation.
Perfect.
Bretonach, the British force, Fech, was still in the castle of Edinburgh. This is Moror Shorus Morich the Lord George Murray showed us Morach. Be show on Kennerst Abiar Ekcherlich. The best general, the best head that Charlie had. Be Alapanach August Gale Avon. He was a Scot and a Gael, and he had fought many years on the continent, so he's a very experienced soldier, and some said he was the finest military mind of the 1700s. Kuchike le Planikin Achoki. Kuchike le Planikin Achoki. Yeah, that should all be bigger.
It's really hard to read.
Yeah, I wasn't even trying.
Yeah. You're squinting at it.
Okay.
Okay. That's a little bit bigger. Okay. Yeah. So, Akva Kuch Avarasach Muyen. There's some suspicion about him. By Kar Borup. Yeah, he was rude and Arstenach. High-minded, proud, haughty, arrogant, Arstenach. And here we have the root of art, right? Okay. Snooty,
right.
his nose in the air. Okay. All right. Okay. And so Von Blar, Fosker Dunation. So they had a battle, Fosker near Edinburgh. Vatunach Unidol Eolic or Schlia Trona Bochlichen. Vatunach Unidol, a local unidol, unit, a location, Aeolic, familiar with a path through the bog, through the moor. And so Charlie ordered the troops to go around the rear of the British, and they surprised them. Okay. They Galafna Shemasich at Keher Savaten. Okay, so the Jacobites went out at 4 a.m. Raniki Tuv Adam on Realtish on Salchar. Okay, so they
They ran.
Yeah.
They arrived.
Yeah, on in silence on Salchar. Okay. Nuragerach on La. Hook it on Unsi. When the day rose, when the day started, they made their attack, and Vunich Adam of Runsa, and the army of the prince won. So they surprise attack. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. Okay. Soine an easy bad sign. Well, Konspach Eternekinian, controversy between the clans, but Adonilich Agiri Acha Uramir Tuv Jes Nahunsi. The McDonald's wanted the Acha Uram, the place of honor, on the right side of the attack. But Kinian Eli Agiri Sin Kuchak. But other clans wanted that as well. But the problem was the McDonald's had the right side of battle for hundreds of years, since the time of Robert the Bruce, 350 years. Okay. And Chai Krankur Ayenef, lottery was done against Vunich na Kamernich, but then the Camerons won. Gavrik show Tor Geren. Okay, so much complaining. Okay. Hold on a second. I can make this bigger as well. Kai Aramafrunch Stechto Hasen. So the army of the prince, went south to England. So here we have landing in Eriskey, Glenfinnan, and then looping down through Edinburgh and battles, and then down. And they got as far as Derby, 100 miles from London. Vakuchich Rangich, Erenich, agus Hasenich, Kolodrua. There were some French, Irish, and even English with them, but not as much has been promised. Cherlich agrag and chickik taik a hasasan a hato hakershin, but that didn't happen. Charlie kept on saying support would come from England. He kept on expecting the Jacobites and the Catholics in England to flock to his army, but they didn't. Ranaki at Derby, they arrived at Derby. Kiet Mila Volunen, 100 miles from London.
100,000.
Anansassen, yeah, you see. So down here, is Derby, and just a little bit off the map would be London. Gannet Viegas Holleran Aun. Okay. They didn't have supplies. August war Ivrich etter Nebuinen. Okay. And feuds. Okay, amongst the people, amongst the group. Marshin Kogyun the Kennerton Chilich Agalapa. And so the chiefs voted, so it wasn't a pure democracy, but it wasn't an absolute monarchy either. Okay, so the chiefs got together and they voted to in one way or another, okay, to return to Scotland. And, supposed to have a little something here that says, Ana Hecken Bla Huloter. Okay, so anyway, so that's the a short bit on the Year of the Prince. Okay, Bliana Herrlich.
And the English army wasn't in London. They could have taken London, but they would have lost because they didn't have cannons. But the English army was somewhere else.
Yeah.
They could have taken London.
Yeah.
But the Scots didn't want London. They just wanted their country back.
Yeah, and that's true. I mean, it's one of the big what ifs of history, but the royal family and the Hanovers, the German Geordie and his family, were packing up to run away.
Yep.
So they could have and the English army was someplace else, and they could have taken London, and then and as these things snowball, that's when they probably would have gotten support. Because support goes to the people who are on top.
Yeah.
You need it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you won. Okay, now I'll bet on you.
Yeah.
It's like not betting on the Super Bowl until you know who won the game. So anyway, but yeah, and Charlie, so criticize whatever you want, and Charles has gotten a lot of criticism. I mean,
and it was Murray too. Murray was the one that told him to flee back.
What's that?
Murray did.
I'm sorry?
Murray, the Murray guy that you were talking about.
Oh yeah, Murray.
Because he's the one that told him come back, go back, leave. So yeah.
But Charlie wanted to push on.
Mm-hmm.
So say what a lot of people have criticized Charlie, but he was bold. He wanted to push on, and some of the strategies that he came up with were brilliant military strategies. I mean, he was always for, like that little bit I told you about the Battle of Prestonpans outside Edinburgh, sneaking up on the English, catching them when they were in their beds, 4 o'clock in the morning, sneaking around, to their flank. And, so he did a lot of stuff like that. So, but anyway, we'll continue this next week. I'll talk about the Battle of Culloden more. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So let's go to our song. And we have a very Oren Eile Don Frunza, another song for the Prince. Okay, very appropriate to Bliana Herrlich. Okay, this was written by Alistair Vicmeister Alistair, a Bart Animal, okay, famous bard, who lived at the same time, who lived in the same era. Okay, so anyway, and he wrote a lot of songs, a lot of Dain, okay, a lot of poetry, Imik Shorsha of many sorts, Natur, nature, Gul, love. Okay, I'll make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Boranich of women. Adamach is politics, rebellion and politics. Okay. So he quite a wide range of songs. So anyway, so let's read this and then we'll sing it. Okay. So it goes, Mochsavaten is me duskach. Early in the morning as I awoke. It's more mahunt is mochil gara. Great was my joy and my merry song. Onachulami.
Anahulimi.
Onachulami umpunsa. I heard that the prince he in dohuech clan Rao.
Inuhuli Clan Varl.
Clan Rao of Clan MacDonald. Clan Ranald was a sept of Clan MacDonald. Okay. Onachulami umpunsa.
Anahulimi Imprunsa.
He in dohuech clan Rao.
Inuhuli Clan Varl.
Grania mulich gachriu.
Kanamuli Gan Rihu.
You are the crown jewel of every king. This is an idiom. Literally, it means something like the top grain, the best grain, like grain of the field, right? Maybe equivalent, sort of like the cream of the crop. Okay, the cream on top of the milk. Okay, but it means like the crown jewel. Okay, something like that, or the best of the best. Slan gumchil usa.
Slan Gun.
Okay, may you return safe, Herrlich, Charles. Okay. Grania mulich gakri u.
Gan Muli Gan Rihu.
Slan gumchil usa, Herrlich. May you return. Sound ham ear ul guntrulich.
Sound
ha an ear ul guntrulich. It is the true blood, unstained, undefiled, okay, unpolluted, truly. Ounce of gruis mornara. In your cheek and your modesty is mornara. Okay. So that's an interesting word. Nara would be shame, but mornara means modesty. Okay. Sound on ul gentrulich.
Sound on heel
gentrulich. Ounce of grui is mornara. Bari barak nahushla. Okay, as with an abundance of nobility, Gary Suisle Jonater. Rising up with good nature. Okay, you're so noble. Okay, it's in your nature. Mari barak nahushla. Gary Suisle Jonater. It's non chikik turisht.
And
if you would come again, via gakchir nanacha. Okay. Every lord would be at his post. Now here we need a little bit of transliteration. Literally in his place. Okay. But it means in his place of battle, at his post, like a military post, standing ready to fight, something like that. Okay. Nanacha. Okay. Bemoedig durch Harsten. Your friends would be joyful. Vich Lochiel Marbachorga. Lochiel, the Cameron of Lochiels, would be as he should. Kuran Orstuch Nangale. Put the gales in order, that is, prepare them for battle, in battle order. Okay. Vigak Chirna Nanacha. Okay, each lord would be at his place. Okay. All right. Okay. So there we go. Okay, and it's a rousing song. Okay, written at the time. I mean, so whatever bad things people had to say about the prince, not totally shared by Highlanders, by Gaels. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Can you hear that?
Yep.
Okay, Gleva. Okay, I always like to check because I don't know what Zoom is going to do to us. All right. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Any questions or points of interest? Anything to add? No. Okay. All right. Well, Tapaleva Hula Dunya, Tapalev, Himishiv, Ana Hechem. Okay.
Cheery.
Yule Andrasta.
Cheery Andrasta. Okay.